I now have our 2018 Honda Pioneer 500 registered for both off-highway and street legal. I needed to mount the license plate somewhere, so my son and I today came out and we're looking around and we saw that it'd be possible to mount it here or maybe hanging from here. And then as I got looking closely, I thought, I'll bet I could come up with a way to hang it from that heat shield. And sure enough, we went to the hardware store and got some pieces and parts, and we were able to mount it up. And here's how we did it. I got some L brackets, 90 degree, and some wing nuts. And rubber grommets, neoprene grommets, and a few other things. I actually took this off, the heat shield. It's easy to remove, so there's only 5 bolts, 10mm bolts that hold it on. So we pulled it off, took it inside where it was warm, worked on it for about 45 minutes, got it all put together and brought it back out, and it's solid, it's good. I just took it for the first cruise down the highway, and it's fun to be finally street legal. My camera angle makes it look like it's partially obscured, but in reality, any vehicle following would see it like this. So it's not obscured. Anyway, I'm happy with it, happy with the new setup.